Spitfire, Derek. I'm gonna show you how to play this. What is it? What is it? Papa Don't Preach? Madonna? Okay, but anyone only cares about the intro. See? No one cares about the rest of the song. They want to know how to play the intro. And I've seen some other people playing it, but I don't think they got the chords quite right. Okay? So here's how it goes. I'm gonna play it slow. I'm gonna play the chords first, and I'm gonna play the bass line, and then you can put them together. But I'm gonna play the first part, chords, slow. Okay, and here goes the bass line. Pretty easy. Oh, motorcycle drives by. What is that? Come on. Okay, so. Okay, I'm gonna play the next part. I'm gonna play it slow down so you can see what's going on. And this part goes something like that. That last part, you don't want to learn how to play it exactly, trust me. Something like that. So then the whole thing. So, and the only thing, maybe that last part is not quite right or has harmonies, but it's alright. You can figure it out. But the main thing is the first chords. I've seen other people do the little, I'm going to show you how to play this. And they didn't have the chords quite right, so I'm going to set that straight. Spitfire, Derek, you know the name.